Yes, sir. YouTube.
What is the YouTube?
Huh? What's up, you guys? Andre here with ZbWKwL Trades. I got a message on Facebook Marketplace about fixing a driveway a couple days ago, and we're gonna go take care of that today. The guy said that a full-size skid steer bucket is gonna be too big and he needs a bucket my size. So we're gonna hook up the mini skid to this bucket right here and head out, and I'll swap you guys on a head cam. That way you guys can get a better point of view. All right, let's try to get this grapple disconnected. There you go. You got to push in to relieve the pressure. And then you lift this up. There you go. There you go. While that starts warming up, I'm gonna actually set up my ramps to As you guys can see, I am driving in the middle of nowhere. But this is the stuff you have to do when you're starting a new business. You're not gonna find all local customers, you gotta travel. But hopefully one day, enough people will know you in your area that you won't have to do this type of stuff. But that's just part of the game in the beginning, man. Does anybody need some hay? We got a bunch out here in Georgia.
When you start like seeing big rocks, the big rocks kind of delineate the border of where the riprap starts.
Yeah, so just kind of work towards them and then stop.
Yeah. Use the slope as kind of the guide as to how to like kind of keep continuing the angle down.
Okay, so basically you want me to start from here, not there.
Yeah. So like the first couple cuts, I would start coming in this way and like match this grade so the water can, you know, starting here, the water will flow and run itself into the ditch.
All right, sounds good. It might be better to just kind of go from that side or that side
just a little bit, but
yeah,
I mean, it's going to make a continuous angle for the...
Yeah, really the only way to do that is to come in from side, because if I go like this, it won't really work, too slopey.
Yeah, coming in at an angle seems to work pretty good.
Yeah, that's going to be really the only way with a groove left right here. If we would chop this out, then yeah, you can go sideways, but because it's like the machine is really only touching this ground, and you can't do anything when it's only touching that. Gotta mess with the settings, I guess.
You want a water?
I have ice water in the truck. I appreciate it though. Now, if you have an energy drink, that's a different story. Nah.
take like the first inch or so off. Make it. Love it.
So the GoPro is overheating big time, so I'm not sure how much footage I actually caught, but over here basically what I was doing is scraping this because it was a pretty big bump off the driveway, and I ran it kind of down this hill right here and kind of like spread it. Let me show you guys. And then kind of same thing off that concrete pad right there, just kind of scraped it because he's going to come in here with crush and run. I don't think he's going to bring in more gravel because he has quite a bit, but I think he said he's going to order 2 loads of crush and run and have them spread it. But his main problem was up there. This was kind of like extra stuff he wanted to add on. He said like if it goes over 2 hours, like if you do it faster than 2 hours, I'll have you do some other stuff, because he only wanted like 2 hours of work done. The GoPro kept dying like crazy over here though. I think because the sun was hitting it. But he wanted me to come in first like this and just push the rocks, scoop this up and make a pile over there, but I couldn't do that because there was like no traction. My machine was going like this. So after I scooped stuff going like this, I could do what he wanted to, and he was very happy with the results. But I think this came out really good right here. His main concern is for the water to wash down this way right here, and he had a hump right here and a hole right here, and it was basically starting to wash out his driveway, so he needs to get this fixed. So that's why I got hired, and he's very happy with it now. Machine is doing good, not overheating at all. Surprised the GoPro is. This is a couple tons of rock right here. So what he's gonna do after a couple rains and after he gets crush and run delivered, he's gonna grab these big rocks and he's gonna put them wherever he needs them. He's a pretty handy man. He just doesn't have a machine. This is a beautiful location over here, but you definitely need 4x4. I was spinning like crazy with 2-wheel drive. I had to put it on 4x4. Maybe without a trailer you're fine, but when you got some weight in there, it becomes tough. Check out these cows right here. Oh man, they are tiny. These are mini cows, I think. What's up? How you doing? They're just chilling under the tree. At least the diesel's pretty cheap, $3.49 in this area. I'm gonna fill up my diesel cans. I know they're gas cans really, but I bought the wrong stuff back in the day. Really, I wasn't worried about the truck. I'm more worried about the machine. The machine's got like almost no fuel. The light went on, so I put 2 gallons in, and I just want to top off the machine. So it's ready to use for the future. These are about 2 gallons a piece. I need a 5-gallon one. Too much hassle with 2 gallons. What I like to do is I just stick the handle right there, hop over. Almost $100 later, we got the equipment filled up. Right behind you. You guys ever tried this?
I'm going.
What's up, man? Do you guys have a restaurant here?
Yes, sir, we have.
You do? Where is it?
Go that way for road the restaurant.
It's where?
This way?
Inside the store or outside?
Inside.
Inside?
So, yeah, this way, left side, corner one. When you go there, you saw.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
Thank
320, sir.
Okay.
What does it mean?
Huh?
Including everything.
Always.
Always. Can you confirm?
Huh?
Your vlogger or something?
Yes, sir. YouTube.
What is the user?
Huh?
Channel name. This is the Batman.
Change the all to haul. And I hit search. That's me right there.
Wow. Good, bro.
I'm gonna leave this right here. I'm gonna go use the restroom. I
Yes,
come get
sir.
it, okay?
Yes, sir.
Gotta wash my hands. After touching that diesel, I don't want to open that drink. No soap. Come on. You got no soap up in there. No soap. Alright, man. Take care. Thanks. Bye. Oh man, this thing is sour. It's really good if you like warheads and stuff. I guess I'm working next to Hammer's house today. Got big boy Hammer rolling in with his F-250. What a monster. Goodbye, old friend. I am not sure if I'm going to be able to make a video out of these clips that I recorded today, just because I don't know how much it actually recorded, since it was like literally cutting off. And I was like looking at the GoPro, it's not recording. I'm like, LOL, not again. But roughly, we burned about $50 worth of diesel with the mini skid and truck going to this job and coming back home. We averaged 11.4 miles a gallon, towing 100 miles. So it's not too bad, but at the end of the day, 50 bucks is a lot of money when the job's only worth 400 bucks. If you guys enjoyed this content, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.